Hi guys! Today I'm going to cut this dumpling and turn it into slime. I'm so excited.
But I feel bad for her.
Yeah. This is the activator we are going to use. It's so cute.
I love it.
This is the PVA glue.
Look,
that we're using.
for 6.
And this,
Not allowed.
yeah, this is this is a little bowl of from us. We're gonna cut. We're gonna cut this up.
Yep.
Yeah, I feel so bad for her, and at the same time, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Before I'm gonna cut this, like and subscribe for more videos.
Yes.
Bye. Okay, this is the time. So this is where I'm to cut open. Okay. Oh my God. Ew. What is this thing? Yeah. Yeah, we definitely need some. Oh my God. Oh. What is this thing? Ooh, I think that's shaving cream. I think I was right. Oh. I will come back after I clean this mess. We definitely need these. Okay, this is the result. Just for now, and we're going to put the PVA glue. What did I think is not gonna work? Okay, let's put the PVA glue, I guess. I put the glue on it, but I don't think you can see it. If you can, isn't that beautiful? But before I put the activator in here, I will show you our, I guess, glitter. Okay, I guess we're back. This is the glitter one. Okay, this is the glitter. We're going to use definitely the glitter one, just like the glitter dumpling. Sad we didn't get it. Oh my God. Oh my God. I guess now it's time for the slime activator. Let's just put some on it. We don't have to do that much. I think that's enough. Okay, let's put it again on his place. Okay, and now it is finally time to mix it. And this is the final result. This was a horrible mess. A horrible mess. But I finally did it. It's a fluffy, very cozy and fluffy slime. This is the color. You can see a little glitter. A little. It's not that many, but I love it. Look at this thing. Like and subscribe if you want me unbox a fake Labubu next in the next video. Bye! Like and subscribe for more videos.